I've been looking forward to this frittata all day long. Got a little left over of my Paleo Paella. I didn't put any oysters in there, so we went out to the dollar store, got some oysters. Of course, we're going to try to flip it, so I want to make sure there's plenty of coconut cooking spray. Alright, I got these immense, look at the size of them, jalapenos. I'm going to sprinkle these on the bottom. This is going to be my vegetable base. Cut them into rings. Make a nice base. Some smaller ones. That's a nice base. Alright, quick pause for the claws. Time to egg it up. There, that looks beautiful. We got a leftover Paleo Paella, rice, cauliflower, garlic, shrimp, mussels, squid, octopus, chicken thigh meat, chorizo, and baby peas. We didn't put any oysters in, so we did go to the dollar store and buy some boiled oysters. Right, let's clean up for a second, pause for the cause. Alright, if you could see it, look how dirty the bottom of that is. Got some dollar store oysters, cut it more than 3/4, let it drain. We're going to give it a little quick squeeze, get out a little bit more juice. Now we get to decorate with the oysters. Oh, this is going to bring it to the next level, definitely. I told somebody about this tonight, and they were like, "You got to be kidding me." I was like, "Yeah. It's my dinner." If you haven't tried this Paleo Paella yet, you're missing out. It's amazing. We got no rubbish in the bottom. Just decorate, spread them all over. We got no sediment in that one. This will go in the fridge. I might drink that for breakfast. Then you gotta mush everything down into the eggs. Oh yeah, if you're watching this and the bottom burns a little, this is a stovetop frittata. That's part of the deal. Gets a little burny. Oh well, it's not going to kill you, and it actually adds a little bit more flavor. All right, quick pause for the cause. Alright, last but not least, a little Parmesan Romano, grated cheese. A lot of the food that I cook, you'll Google it, it doesn't exist. It's at the, oops, Houston may have a problem. Made a little mess. That's enough cheese. Clean it, need to refill, and there you go. That's my frittata for tonight. Yummy. Love it.